Guys, just a quick video. Wanted to show you how this turkey fans look like on the mount and give you a brief instruction of how I did it. So first thing I did, I removed as much meat as I possibly could. Not too much because you want these feathers to stay together, right? So I removed the meat, fat, skin, whatever is at the tip of these feathers. I give it the shape that I want it to look like, because the way this dries, that's the way this is gonna stay for life. And I put some weights so the feathers stay flat. I didn't, maybe I should have put a little bit more weight here. You see it's a bit like, it's a bit not flat, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. It still looks beautiful. Then I covered it with borax. Just get yourself some borax and cover it. I left it there for 2 weeks. Once a week, I changed the borax. I did the same thing with this beard. The beard also, I trimmed some extra meat in the fat. I covered the beard with borax and I left it there for about 2 weeks. I did the same thing. I changed the borax for the beard too, once a week. And when it's all dry, it's gonna be hard as rock. It's not gonna move, it's not gonna go anywhere. You can just put it on a mount. I bought this mount of Amazon, and that's basically it. It's very simple. It's not a complicated process. Just gotta make sure you cover it with enough borax and change the borax once a week, basically. That's how I did it, and it worked. And this is gonna go on my wall. It's I'm really happy with the result. It's really beautiful. Yeah, just want to give you guys a little update of the process and how it looks like all done. Give you a little close-up video here too. There you go. There you have it. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. If there is anything I did wrong, please let me know. I'm still learning. So, yep. That's it, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.